I hurt my back. I think it's during exercise, so to a point that I couldn't walk and couldn't drive, because as soon as I sit for a while, and then I really just couldn't walk. It took me, a long 10 minutes before I could straighten my back. It was really painful. Even the very first treatment, the pain just left me immediately, and so that was a really good sign. And then subsequent treatments, I got better and better, and now I'm healed. So, and then I had another thing before my back completely healed. I caught a bad cold, and then infection, and the herbs that Jimmy Yan gave me, and also the acupuncture on that day, I was having some fever. Somehow the acupuncture just got rid of it. So it was kind of a miracle. So it was a really I think I would recommend Jimmy Yan to anybody, even not Jimmy, but acupuncture is, I think, a really good treatment, a natural way of making your body respond better, rather than to go through the antibiotics or other chemicals.